morning students. Welcome to my channel Sharada Math Classes. SHARADA, MATH, CLA, SSES, all should be in capital letters. Welcome to my channel once again. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Share these videos with your friends so that they too will be benefited from these videos, and you also can learn well through Sharada math classes, because I am covering almost all the portions in my sessions, so that it will be helpful for you. So please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you have any doubts, you can share your doubts through comments so that I'll be there to solve your doubts. Okay, thank you very much. In the last video, I was solving exercise 4.3 of quadratic equation. I solved third question. In third question, you had two equations, and solving those two equations, I have taught you how to find the value of x. Okay, in this video I am going to teach you the statement problems, how to solve these statement problems. See, in any statement problems, what you have to do is, you have to understand the statement, write the equation according to that, and after writing the equation, you have to bring that equation in the form of quadratic equation. So once you reduce that equation in the form of quadratic equation, it will be easy for you to find the value of x or to find the roots of the given equation. So in this problem, they have given the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years ago from now is 1/3. So what is his present age? So what he is telling, the sum of reciprocal of Rahman's age. So reciprocal of age when 3 years ago and 5 years from now, means after 5 years. 5 years from now means after 5 years what will be his age? Before 3 years what was his age? So when you take the reciprocal of their age, his age, so that sum will be equal to 1/3. That is what the statement is. So we don't know Rahman's present age. So let us call the present age of Rahman as x. Okay. Let Rahman's present age is x years. Okay. His present age is x years. Now, what was his age 3 years ago? So, age of Rahman 3 years ago. 3 years ago, his age was, whatever is his present age minus 3. Minus means previous. Suppose if he is 10 years now, 3 years back his age would be 7 years. Okay, you understood? Suppose if his age is 10 years at present. So 3 years back his age was 7 years. What you have to do? You have to minus 3. Same thing I have done. I don't know the age. I have put x as his present age. 3 years back this was his age. So after 5 years, what will be his age? After 5 years, his age would be, present age after 5 years means it will increase. 5 years will increase. For example, now the present age is 10. After 5 years, he will be how many years? 15 years. Means you have to add 5. Because they are asking 5 years ago from now. From now means from today. If you consider next 5 years, what will be his age? His age would be x plus 5 years. 3 years back his age was x minus 3 years. Now his age would be, after 5 years it would be x plus 5 years. Now, what you have to do with this? Reciprocal of both the ages. Reciprocal of 3 years ago age, 5 years from now age. If you take the reciprocal, you will get 1 by x minus 3 plus, you have to take the sum. Sum means plus. Reciprocal of this age plus reciprocal of this age. That will be equal to how much it seems? 1 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 years ago is this. Reciprocal after 5 years. Means reciprocal of the age after 5 years is this one. Reciprocal is 1 by that. Okay. Now you have to solve. First, multiply these two. X minus 3 into, I'll start from here. First, I'll take the denominator numbers. X minus 3 into x plus 5. Now cross multiply. 1 into x plus 5 plus 1 into x minus 3. So, next. Now what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this. 1 into this means same thing, you will get x plus 5 plus 1 into this means same thing you will get. Whenever you multiply anything by 1, you will get the same thing. Now you have to multiply these two. So how to multiply, I have taught you in the last session. So whenever you have two factors, do like this. Put x minus 3 here, x plus 5 here. So instead of splitting and multiplying, this is the easy way. Put x minus 3 as one factor, x plus 5 as another factor. So here what you have to do, multiply these two, you will get x square. Multiply these two, you will get last term. This is first term, this is last term you got. How to get the middle term? Just cross multiply. 5 into x is 5x. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. So you will get plus 2x. That will be your middle term. Okay. What you have to do is, whatever are the factors, put it. Multiply xx, you will get first term. Multiply these two numbers, you will get last term. If you multiply, cross multiply and add or subtract whatever it is. 5 into x, 5x. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. You will get 2x. So this is the required expression. Okay. X square plus 2x minus 15. Now what I am going to do here, I have 2x here, I am going to add here. 2x plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Is it not? So this is equal to 1 by 3 it seems. According to the problem, this is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. You have equated this to 1 by 3. So this numerator value is 2x plus 2. Denominator value is x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now once again you have to cross multiply. This into 3, this into 1. From 3 multiply these two. 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 1 into x square plus 2x minus 15. Now, no need to write 1 by 3 because we have taken 1 by 3 and cross multiplied. Everything is okay. Multiply 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to, from 1, if you multiply, same thing you will get. Okay, now what I am going to do, I will shift both the terms this side. So first whatever is there, x square plus 2x minus 15 I have written as it is. I am going to shift 6x and 6 both on the other side. Minus 6x minus 6 is equal to 0. Both the terms are having plus sign. Shift it, you will get minus. So x square, you have two x terms here. 2x and minus 6x, that will be minus 4x. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21 is equal to 0. Now, this is the required quadratic equation. Okay, when once you get this equation, you have to find the values of x. So, you can use formula and find out. You know how to find using formula, right? Here A is equal to 1, B is equal to -4, C is equal to -21. Is it not? A value is 1, B value is -4, C value is -21. Put the formula. X is equal to plus minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Now substitute the value. X is equal to minus of -4, because B is minus, put it in the bracket, plus or minus root of -4 whole square minus 4 into 1 into -21. Okay, -21 divided by 2 into 1. So X is equal to plus 4 plus or minus root of 4 square means 16 minus into minus, it becomes plus, 21 4s are 84 divided by 2. Therefore X is equal to plus 4 plus or minus, how much? 84 plus 16 is 100 by 2. So X is equal to plus 4 plus or minus 10 by 2. Okay, once you have to write plus 4 plus 2 by 10 by 2 plus 4 minus 10 by 2. Okay, next X is equal to, so this one I am going to continue here. After this will be your error mark. So here the roots are, see, X is equal to plus 4 plus 10 by 2, that is equal to 14 by 2, 7. So one more root is plus 4 minus 10 by 2, that is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore the values are 7 and minus 3. Okay. So once again you can go through this, and then after going through you can understand the problem. Next problem from exercise 4.3, sixth problem. So in this problem they have given, in a class test, the marks scored by Shefali in mathematics and English together will be 30. The marks scored in English as well as in maths, if you add, you will get 30. So what they are telling, had she got 2 more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English. Suppose if she had got whatever marks she has got now, if she would have got 2 more marks in mathematics, and if she would have got 3 marks less in English, so what will be her marks? So when you take the product of those marks, that would be equal to 210, it seems. Then you have to find what is the marks scored by Shefali in maths and in English. So here in this problem, they are asking you the Shefali's marks of both mathematics and English. If you add the marks of both maths and English, you will get 30. Okay, we don't know how much she has got, whether she might have got 15 in English, 15 in maths, 10 in maths, 20 in English, or 18 mathematics, 22 in English. Like that, when you add those two, you will get 30. Okay, suppose if she, next question, this one is problem is, if she had got 2 more marks in mathematics, means whatever marks she has got now, if you add 2 to it, and whatever marks she has got in English, if you subtract 3 marks from it. Okay. So after adding 2 marks in mathematics and removing 3 marks in English, the product of those two factors will be equal to 210. Then what is the mark scored by Shefali? So let us consider Shefali's marks in mathematics is X. Okay. So what is her marks in English? It is like, see, English plus maths is equal to 30. Marks scored in English plus marks scored in mathematics will give you 30. For mathematics we have kept X. For English we don't know. We will find out how much it is. So English marks is equal to shift X here. That will become your 30 minus X. Understand? So mathematics I have kept it as X. You know that English plus maths is 30. English we don't know. We will find out now. English plus maths means X is equal to 30. Shift X mark, mathematics marks, subtract from the total, you will get English mark. So English mark will be total minus whatever she has scored in maths. If you subtract, remaining all will be English. Had she scored 2 more marks in maths. Suppose if she had scored 2 more marks in mathematics. So what is his present marks? X plus 2 more marks added means that math marks would be X plus 2. Similarly, had she scored 3 marks less in English. Less means minus. So suppose whatever is the English mark, in English mark you subtract 3. So if you subtract 3 you will get 30 minus 3 is 27. 27 minus X. This will be her English mark. After gaining 2 marks in maths, this will be her marks. After losing 3 marks in English, this will be her marks. So when you take the product of these two, that will be equal to 210 it seems. Let me take the product of these two. X plus 2 into 27 minus X. This is maths marks, English mark. If you take the product, you will get 210 it seems. Now I am going to take the product. From X, I am going to subtract the whole bracket. 27 minus X. Split this. X ones, 2 ones. Okay, split it and then write 27X along with both. Is equal to 210. Now multiply X into 27 is 27X minus X into X is X square plus 2 into 27 is 54 minus 2 into X is 2X is equal to 210. Okay. Next, I'll group it now. First I'll put X square term and then X term plus 27X minus 2X number 54. I'll bring this number here. Whatever I had on the LHS, I have arranged it. First X square, X2 terms are there, I have written. And then one constant term, this constant term also I am shifting here. That is what I have done. Now, last step is minus X square plus 27X minus 2X is nothing but 25X, right? These two if you simplify, you will get 25X bigger number sign. And these two, 210 minus 54, how much? 210 minus 54. 156, bigger number sign, is equal to 0. So this is having minus sign. So I have told you in many problems you have to multiply the whole equation by minus. Multiply by minus. That will give you X square minus 25X plus 156 is equal to 0. Now I can find factorization method or formula method, any method I can do. Okay. I will do factorization method only, it will be easy for me. Or else you can do formula method only. So, A is equal to how much? 1. B is equal to, I will do formula method only, you can do it, no problem. That will be easy for me. X square minus, because the numbers are big, squaring and all is takes some time. Okay, now I am going to take the factors for 156. 2 7s are 2 8s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Okay, what I am going to do, I'll small numbers I'll group it together. This will become 12. This will become your 13. 13 and 12 you will get 25C. So both should have minus minus sign. I keep separately 12 and 13 are the factors. Both minus minus I will give, so that when you multiply minus into minus you will get the last term. When you add you will get the middle term. So this one I will write it as x square minus 12x minus 13x plus 156 is equal to 0. Next grouping, x common x minus 12 minus 13 common x minus 12 is equal to 13 means 12 times mostly. I have told you whatever factors you have taken, same thing you will get. X minus 12 same, remaining here x, here minus 13 is equal to 0. Equate both the factors to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 13 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 13. Anything you can take. Either you can take 12 or 13. Both numbers you can take. So here in the problem, I have kept Shefali's marks in mathematics is x, because they have given sum as 30. In English, take out maths marks from the total. That will be your English marks. I have told you how to find the English mark here. Okay. Next. Suppose if she had scored 2 more marks in mathematics. So this is her maths marks plus 2. If she had scored 3 marks less means minus. So this is her English mark minus 3. So if you minus 30 minus 3, you will get 27 minus 6. So you have to take the product of this and this, because they have given the product of marks scored in maths and English. Okay, product of these two is 210. So split the terms x and plus 2 separately. Put the second bracket along with both 210. X into 27, 27x, x into x square, 2 into 27, 57, 2 into x is 2x, 210 as it is. You should be careful about the sign. Minus x square, 27x minus 2x, group it, 54 as it is, bring this 210 here. Okay, next minus x square, 27 minus 2 is 25x minus, if you subtract you will get 156 is equal to 0. Since you have minus in the first term, multiply with minus, you will get plus. Change the sign of all the 3 terms. Minus x square becomes plus x square, plus 25x becomes minus 25x, minus 156 becomes plus 156. So take these and then find the factors for 156. You will get 12 and 13 as the factors. When you add these two, you will get middle term. So when you are adding and getting middle term means that sign should go to both the number. So now split this 25 as 13 and 12. Group them like this. After grouping, take out x as common. Here x minus 12 minus 13 as common, plus minus is already taken outside, so one more minus is remaining here. 13 12s are. So factors are x minus 12, x minus 13. Next, x minus 12 is 0, x equals 12. X minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13. So this is how you can solve the problem. Just you have to analyze the problem, split it according to that, and then you have to solve the problem so that it will be easy for you. Okay, 1 minute I'll keep like that only. You can take the photo shot or you can copy down that.